Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. Today we're doing the beta room version 1.0 by DanSkiMan. Looks like that's the last level that he released, at least in that time period. So maybe after this we'll start seeing maps of a different sort and language. Okay, oh good, here we see that the weapons actually came through for the bots. See if I can actually find the weapons that they got. Looks like this might be a similar situation where the weapons are hard to get, but there's ammo everywhere, and thus I'm left with next to nothing while the boss get everything immediately. Let's see what we got on the map so far. So it looks like the best bot match strategy is to basically let them duke it out. We're on the periphery, run up here, get this stuff, collecting ammunition along the way, both to there and back. Although I don't really see assault rifle ammunition. At least I have the dual shotguns, so there's a way. Oops. Hello. Looks like there's an enemy up there, so I won't be able to get the weapons now. But imagine how this would be with regular human players. It'd be like a big race to the middle. Almost like a hacked alternative version of King of the Hill. Is it already gone? Oh, froze in the corner. Lucky me, glitch happened in my favor. This boss can get stuck in pretty odd ways. Let's try this one. Can't seem to get out in a safe enough point to evade the shotgunners, get an advantage. Alright, yeah, this is not what I would have expected given the tiling of this map relative to what we had before. Alright, well, that's enough. Got a decent score, so let's actually go ahead anyway to the next one now that we're out the DanSkiMan levels. See what happens. We have the Grottos by Simpson. It's a pretty evocative title, so there better be something here of note. Oh, quit on me. I saw a brief glimpse of just like a wall and the floor. Let's try again, see if anything different happens. Okay, now it works. Quit again. Why does it do that? I don't think I'm pressing the wrong button or anything. I haven't really had that issue that I can remember. I've had ones that don't launch at all, it'll just crash, but not this. Yeah, I don't get it. Alright, well, I guess so much for that one, at least for the time being. So, next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we'll see what lies in store after the Grottos by Simpson. Yeah, I get it. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.